Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn initial sound, letter F. The sound of letter F is F. The sound of letter F is F. F, F, fish. F, F, fish. F, F, fire. F, F, fire. F, F, flower. F, F, flower. F, F, frog. F, F, frog. Now, let's do the exercise in English preschool module, page 17, 18, and 19. Baiklah murid-murid, selamat menyiapkan tugasan. Nanti kita jumpa lagi. Bye.